Hello, today I've got a few PXP one strokes and split cakes, and I'm going to show you some swatches. By the way, if you enjoy my videos, consider to subscribe to support my channel, and of course I love when you comment, and please remember to put likes, as all of this helps my channel grow. Notice that I'm using not the biggest brush, not 1-inch brush, but a bit smaller. I think it was number 18, and this is the size that I use mostly for most of the faces. It's not too small, it creates a decent size painting, but also for a very small face piece it's not too big. For the purpose of this video, I'm loading my brush from the middle of the container, but in the real life I will look on the design that I'm painting. What color do I need the most? For example, here, would I need more purple or would I need more blue or greenish color? I really like this one stroke because I can do actually anything with it. It could be a dragon, it could be a unicorn mane, obviously flowers, leaves as you see. And I'm switching the brush from one side to another side so you can see different color combinations. This one stroke is called Ulianka Power. I'll give all the numbers for the one strokes at the end of the video. Just now I'm just going to roughly give the names if the split cake has got one. So this is really beautiful for fire, for flowers, for dragons, for butterflies, for many things. Very nice and bright colored. When I'm painting leaves, I don't like to use white and green together. I prefer to use green and blue or green and yellow. And this is cool green and warm yellow makes a really interesting combination for that. But apart from leaves as well, you can do dragons, some boys designs, girl designs as well, because it's very gentle and nice color. Even roses, I would say, with white color up. This one is called Burning Sun, and actually it's very similar to the previous one. In here you cannot see the difference, but if you move your brush up, maybe, don't know, maybe there will be a less transition on the top one, but I'm not sure. They're both beautiful. So here I just wanted to show you that they are very similar. Using the same brush here, just comparing them both together. Whatever combines with green, I'm using for leaves very often, but also some boys designs. I'm not sure, shark, unicorn, mane, depends on the color. Mostly I'm using these split cakes separately, purple and blue or blue and green colors, with the same size of brush. What normally happens, it still reaches the third color but it's not visible at all, but it's adding additional brightness to it. By the way, if you like one stroke technique or you would like to learn it, there is a Facebook group for you which is called One Stroke Beauty. You can find a lot of inspiration there, or you can show your work. There is also a special chart for you at the top of the group where you can find artists who inspire the whole world with their one-stroke designs. You can tick all the artists that inspire you, or you can add your own one if they are not there. This one is one of my favorites from PXP Professional Colours. I love painting sharks with it. Obviously they could be leaves, flowers, dragons. Actually I can see so many uses for this one stroke. Although this one stroke is not very bright, it works really well with other one strokes that are bright. This is the kind of bluish greenish color that I don't really mind when it goes together with white, and that's why the waves for me looks really good next to this color. Next one is the rainbow, and I love this rainbow because the blue is not too dark. It's kind of greenish blue and it feels very light and it's not overwhelming like when you have both sides very strong colored. It looks so bright, even a little bit like a UV, but there are no UV paints in here. Mostly I use Splitcakes with a sponge, so I'm just going to show you how it looks on my arm. I really like this yellow pinky transition to white from dark pink and the purple, and I don't know, there are so many uses for that one. Mostly background for, I would say, for underneath the butterfly, but it can be a nice cat, even a tiger for a girl. I never know what color I'm going to use until I have the idea of what I'm going to paint. And even if I have something like, even if I have a shark for a girl, I might use a pink color. So I'm quite often asking, would you like to have natural, like a proper animal, or would you like to have any crazy colors? And quite often, well, it's 50-50. Sometimes they choose just exactly like animals should look like, and sometimes they're choosing their favorite color. So here you go, there are all of the colors with all of the numbers. So you can easily find, if you type in PXP and then the number, you'll be able to easily find any of these colors. They don't have the names. They normally have numbers and some of them have names. So I decided, instead of writing names and numbers, just numbers, it's so much easier to look for them. These colors, I cannot say which one I'm using more often because it depends on the topic. When I have the theme, then I decide on the color that I'm going to use. But I do use them regularly and I do love them. I also really like the paint quality, and just wanted to mention that I wouldn't do a review for a paint that I don't like. So I hope you enjoyed watching these paints. I'm definitely enjoying painting with them. And I think this is it. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate if you subscribe, like or comment. That helps me to grow my channel and encourage me to do new videos. If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there.